name is Mark Catone. Our company is CleanBeam. CleanBeam is a technology company that uses pulsed ultraviolet light to sanitize footwear prior to going into food plants. We attack at the source. Our whole concept is we don't want this to get into the plant. Once it gets into the plant, it gets on the surfaces, it gets in the process areas. We don't want that. So by attacking it at the source, we eliminate the problem. What the light does is it's very intense. It's actually like 10,000 times the strength of the sun. So it pulses 3 times a second, and every time it pulses, it's killing pathogens. And it kills at the DNA level, which is important because then they don't reoccur. So when we kill them, they stay dead.